Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today for this quick video on the application layer. Much like the presentation layer, this is not going to be very long. So we'll be talking about the application layer, and if you remember the memory item, please do not throw sausage pizza away, or all people seem to need data processing. This would be the application layer. So let's just jump right into it and get this ball rolling faster. All right, so the application layer is the highest of all the layers in the OSI model, and it supports the applications that the user is running. It is not the layer that runs the applications. It supports the applications the user is running. So the applications themselves are on top of the application layer. The cool thing about the application layer is it allows other apps to communicate with other apps as if they're on the same computer. So this would allow you to go to one website and then go to multiple websites in different browsers and still be able to function. So it allows multiple applications to run as if they're on the same computer. It also allows for if you wanted to run some sort of remote software like say VMware, you could view it that way as well, because VMware does that. Again, this is not where the applications so this is not where Microsoft Word is located. Microsoft Word is above the application layer. So the application layer only supports the user applications. Super important to understand that. All right, also it identifies and establishes the availability of the remote computer and there's some communication going on in relation to one computer talking to another that's kind of lower down in the weeds on handshaking, like a three-way handshake, or how they're going to send and receive data, things like that. But if the remote computer is capable of communication, then it will make that determination and then allow the communication to happen. Now there are protocols, and that's actually the next slide where we have those, but an easy way to understand what protocols are found at the application layer is if it's a protocol, but it's also a command. So for example, you can go to your command prompt and type FTP or Telnet or SSH, things like that, and your computer will do something. Well, those are also protocols, and they're directly related to that. So you can see what protocols are associated with the application layer, specifically because they're commands. So I'm just going to click through this real fast so you can see some of the protocols that are found there. All right, so just real fast, obviously Telnet's a command that you can type, but it's also a protocol. Same thing with all of this stuff, like www, internet, Telnet, email right here for SMTP, FTP. TFTP is Trivial File Transfer Protocol. That's the, if you'll remember when we talked about at the transport layer, we had connection oriented and connection less. So FTP would be connection oriented, and then TFTP would be connection less. Then we have Simple Network Time Protocol, NNTP Network News Protocol, or Network News Transport Protocol, LPD for printing, SNMP for network management, Simple Network Management Protocol, email gateway, search engines, server message block, I think Novell Core Protocol, I can't remember what that one means, and then AppleTalk File Protocol. These are all samples of protocols that you could find at the application layer. Now, for a certification test, you really want to know that top line, Telnet, SMTP, FTP, and so on. You want to understand those. And we'll talk about protocols in greater detail. I'll probably make a video for each protocol that's in there, like the important details behind it. But for now, let's just continue on. And with that is really the end of all of our OSI model videos. So again, if you have any questions in relation to the OSI model, or you have comments or suggestions or anything you would like to have us talk, please let us know. Certainly won't hold it against you if you feel like you have to subscribe to the channel. We have lots of good information that's going to be coming out that might benefit experienced people as well as people who are just now getting into the trade. And with that, I will talk to you later. See ya.